Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on Bank of China, Hong Kong. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.bochk.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Bank of China Hong Kong opens up on your screen, on the left side of your screen you'll see this tab. Now on this tab, hover over this personal customers option and then click on the internet banking option. Once you click on the internet banking option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you can either click on this option to reset your internet banking number or username, or you can click on reset internet banking password to reset your password. After you click on one of these options, you'll be guided to another page. Now if you click on reset internet banking password option, you'll have to fill in your internet banking number or username here. You'll have to fill in your BOC card or BOC credit card linked with bank accounts number here. You'll have to fill in your card pin here, and then you'll have to fill in this verification code like this here. If you can't figure out what the verification code is saying, then you can simply click on this refresh image option to change the verification code. After you fill in all those credentials correctly, just click on this next option, which will guide you to step 2. On step 2, there will be some more credentials you'll have to fill, which will allow you to reset your internet banking password. I hope this video helped you to reset your internet banking password on the Bank of China Hong Kong. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.